आप अकेले नहीं हैं। मिलिए मनोज से, जिन्होंने IFT के साथ एक बड़ा कदम उठाया। आज हम आपको श्रीलंका के मनोज से मिलवाते हैं। मनोज बालों के झड़ने की समस्या से बहुत परेशान थे। उन्होंने सब कुछ ट्राई किया, लेकिन कुछ भी काम नहीं आया। फिर उन्होंने IFT के बारे में सुना। हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट करवाने का फैसला किया IFT कि डॉक्टर ने उनका जिग जैग टेक्निक से ट्रांसप्लांट करने का फैसला लिया, जिससे मनोज काफी खुश हैं। अब इंतजार है तो बस इनके शानदार रिजल्ट का। चलिए सुनते हैं मनोज जी कहानी उन्हीं की जुबानी।
I am Manoj Lakshman Pereira. I am coming from Sri Lanka. Actually, I have been suffering from hair loss for the past 5 to 6 years. Then I heard about IFT Hair Clinic from YouTube. They have like a technique called IFT technique. That's why I come into Jaipur from Sri Lanka to get the best natural looking possible hairline. Thank you IFT Hair Clinic. Transplant is done. It was a 2-day process. Yesterday we did like 70% of the hair transplant yesterday. Today we finished like 30% remaining one. Yesterday we did like beard. We took more graft from beard and backside of my hair. And 74% was done yesterday. And when I was doing the hair transplant, like I didn't feel any pain at all. Like even if there's pain, like I can tell them, they give more anesthesia. And it was a great experience. Even after hair transplant, they asked me to stay with them for the night because in any case of emergency, they can help me as soon as possible. So I stayed with them last night. So today they did the final touches to my hair, like hairline and other parts. I think it will be a best experience. The cost also very affordable, and staff is very nice. And I think they have everything you're looking for in hair transplant clinic. Thank you.